Okay, you let me know. I have to sneeze. Other side.
That's how you do it.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Oh my god, ew. 10 to 15 seconds, are you serious? Oh my god. Oh. Breathe. Eyes. Ah, bless me.
Okay.
Ew! Ew! Fuck me. Ew!
I don't know if that was an inch. Ugh. This is so much better when somebody else does it.
Well done.
Oh my god.
That's alright.
God.
It happens. It's alright.
Tissues here. That's. Oh my god, that's horrible. I'm crying.
It's alright. It happens.
Okay.
Don't worry.
I'm
I
sorry.
did the same thing the first time I did.
It tickles.
Sparkling water.
I don't know how you're gonna deal with this. Oh fuck. Okay.
My nose is F too. I've got a what's it called?
Alright.
Deviated spectrum.
Alright. Deep breath in. Hold your breath. Relax. Well done. That's
No, my god.
That was better. That one. That nostril.
it. I'm sorry. Any questions?
Holy fuck.
Okay. Bless me. Is that long enough?
Yeah. Okay, I do it to the other nostril.
on.
3, 2, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Bless you. Spreading COVID everywhere.
That hurt.
Why does my family have to keep going out? OMG, how do I stop sneezing? Investigate the sample.
Thank you. I knew more was coming.
So whenever you're ready, we'll do the other side there.
God. Jesus, I've never sneezed this much.
Oh, I know.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Sure.
I can't hold it in there.
We're getting there, though. We're almost done.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's okay. Okay.
Obrigada.
Oh my god.
It's disturbing, huh? And you almost accepted. Anything to say, yeah?
No, sir, I'm sorry. We don't have a protocol. That below to 2 years old, you cannot have them.
Hey, first response. There's still tears there in your eye. I also had tears. Hey, no, don't use your hands. Use a tissue. Yeah, Abby.
My eyes are watering. Okay. It's not, it doesn't hurt. It's just my eyes are watering for some reason. And I do it in this nostril for 15 seconds. My gosh, I keep sneezing. And then I break this and blood. Excuse me, I was about to.
Paying 14, 15, check it out.
Thank you.
I just actually finished swabbing both of my nose. Ooh, it went all the way up here. Like,
Stop, you little chicken. Stop, you little chicken. Stop, you little chicken.